On a hot, bustling summer day in July 2025, the digital highways of YouTube come alive as an unexpected force barrels into action. Captain Big Rig Butter Stunts, renowned for his daring trading strategies, and his clever Chihuahua Molehole are on a mission like no other. Their objective: to clear the stops lurking beneath key support levels, creating the perfect environment for futures floor traders to seize long positions. As Captain Butterstunts and Molehole clear out the stops, futures floor traders closely monitor the NQ. Amidst steady volumes and cautious optimism, they strike as soon as Captain Butterstunts gives the thumbs up. Hoorah, mother truckers! P.S. Hey, Skeletor. I got your chocolate salty balls. Stay tuned for episode 2, dropping on Monday, July 21st, where Joker and Woodchip try to steal back Skeletor's balls when Butters is sleeping. And tune in to the Futures Floor live stream starting at 9:15 a.m. every morning. Co-streaming daily with Omnius Trades and a 5-man support crew more unhinged than a trader on tilt. Woodchip, bringing sawdust, pure glory, and unhinged stream energy to the squad. Joker, the only man I know who lights a candle for the algo and swears it whispers his entry levels every morning. Butters Stunts. Nothing says prop firm whore like a blue semi with Molehole riding shotgun and that wholesome chaos grin. Mike Stunts, clearly the evil Knievel of the trading world, launching grenades, grand slam trades, and dirt bikes with equal recklessness. And Skeletor, whose backpack's probably packed with stolen prop firm account numbers and a jar of his chocolate salty balls. Don't forget, we're live at 9:15 a.m. Be there, or we'll let Butters trade your account. Oh, and bring your sense of humor, because we trade, we laugh, and we lose. Peace out.
This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Good morning, guys. Starting off my day with... Bring the mic a little closer. Starting off my day with... Let me take a look. Let's take a look. It should be here. There we go. Plus 73. Hey, good morning, Skeletor. Good morning, James. Nice to see you, James. James. I'd love to go for a coffee today also, but I got to bring my daughter to the airport. You want to come to the airport with me? Okay, let's take a look at what we got. Quick. Markets are opening in 10 minutes. I drew in this little support line. It really wasn't at the tops or at the top of the candle bodies over here, but I don't know. That's where I kind of think there was support or resistance, where that line just seemed to be making the most sense for me. That's the 4-hour chart NQ. Like Omnia says, I draw in ugly trend lines. That's my ugly trend line on the 15-minute. We took out the Asia highs, we took out the Asia lows. That means there's an 80% we're going to take out the Asia highs, and we did that already. Where's the previous close? We're trading above the previous close. We're trading above VWAP. We're trading near the highs of the London session. So, I don't know. I'm kind of bullish, thinking we're going to reach for yesterday's highs. Let's take a look at the daily. Would make sense that we continue the push higher. We broke out of this consolidation range, this 400-point range that we've had over the last 13 days, pulled back, touched it. Kind of looks like a retest, so my main thesis is that we're trading higher. We're only 14 points above the previous close, so maybe we'll see a gap fill. We can see that over here, 14 points. Let me change my cursor. Gold. Gold is up $9, $8. Still holding the 50-period moving average. Crude. Crude is down 70 cents. I want to see crude get under 60, to be honest with you. Change my this. What else we got? Bitcoin. Bitcoin is up $2,395. That's so funny to say, even. I'm starting to trade Bitcoin. I got a Bitcoin chart that's up permanently. I'm still not trading it with much attention, so I'm not getting out when I'm supposed to. I'm just kind of letting it. Kind of just letting it go. If you take a look at the chart, I have one over here for you. What I do, I bought down here. I should have sold over here or taken a partial, but I didn't. I wrote it all the way down because I was making my coffee. Now I should have added on the way up, didn't. So I'm just taking a look. I'm keeping my eye on it because these moves are solid. I mean, you're talking every time it enters 910 to, that's a $500 move. That's a $600 move. This is probably a $500 move. And the spread is $10. So it's 50 times the spread. That's the equivalent of 25, 30, 40 point moves on NQ. But I don't get that on every push. Get that on some pushes like this one. But then we get a lot of ding, 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 ding. Yeah, we get that sometimes in Bitcoin too, but not as often, man. I mean, here's some good moves. Anyways, I'm also running the F010 Comp Scalper version 2 Butter Stunts Inverse Retrace. I turned the butter band system into a trend system now. So we got below the bands. We're looking to well, not we're looking. It actually went short, and that's the profit target. But I think we should have another. I think we should have another filter. It might be, let's see, VWAP or, I don't know. I got to think of another filter. Because you can't just go on both sides. Anyways, market's opening in 7 minutes. Where's my phone? Did I bring it? Omnius will be showing up eventually. Soon. We'll show the results of the competition. There's been some changes. In the position and the standings. They're not like they've always been. They were pretty static for a while, but now they've changed. I mean, we do have a winner on, come on. We do have a winner on the individual, but now we got the teams. The subs versus streamers, the teams fighting for victory. Let me close this. Good morning, all. I gotta say, text-to-speech leaves a lot to be desired. This isn't comfortable. No, it is. So, what do we want to do off the bat? Probably take a long trade. Long-term Renkos are long. I mean, yeah, the longer term. Higher time frame, let's call it that. The higher time frame Renkos are long. The shorter time frame Renkos are long. So, I just hope we don't run too much higher. We did close above the most recent swing high. Everything is pointing to an open that sends us higher. I don't know if we're going to reach 23,222, but certainly I see us trading higher. But you know what? Here's another one. I'm curious to see. Most of the times when I make a judgment on what we're going to do on the open, it's wrong. So if I think we're going to trade higher, probably going to trade lower. And then trade higher. What did I say about yesterday? I think I said yesterday, let me see, where were we yesterday? Here. Yeah. Yeah, yesterday is kind of similar to today. Above Asia highs, above VWAP, except we were also above the previous day's high, which is the yellow dash line. Anyways, it was looking super strong, and yet we traded lower. Today's not looking as strong because we're not above yesterday's high, yellow dash line. But we are above this support line, which we see better on the 4 hour. Do I want to move it here? Oops, cancel. I don't think so. How many cursors do I have to change? I don't think that's a support line. This looks like kind of where all the, you know, based on the candle bodies over here, candle bodies over here, candle bodies over here. I would say that that line is the one that seems to make the most sense to me. Agreed? Agreed. Okay. 3 minutes to Wapner. It's 9:27. Markets are opening in 3 minutes. Best intro. Love it. Well, come Monday, episode 2 is coming out. Forget Skeletor salty balls. How about Nutty Bars nuts? I'll give you a preview. Nutty Bars nuts. But that's all I'll tell you. So why is this in a, oh, okay, I was going to say, why is this in a short trade? Maybe that would be the filter. Yeah, see, it's short over here based on this chart, but this one here, which is about, there's a 928, 2.5 times. So maybe I should have a 2.5 times, a second one of these, just a single line, this, and use that as a directional filter. What period is this? And then do 2.5 times 21, that would be 50. So come over here. I still have a little bit of time. Let's put it in. This indicator, it's the ADX, which I like because it's a momentum indicator, but also it's kind of like the super trend in my opinion. Anyways, we'll apply it, see what color it gives us. Really? That's the 50? So yeah, you see, we wouldn't have wanted to go short there. That's above the 50. Let's make the 50 a different color. Let's make it, what's a good color that'll show up on I don't even know which is the one. I guess it's this default color. I'll show up on white. 1 minute to Wapner. Let's try sienna. Apply. Okay, there we go. We'll just use it as a little bit of what do I want to do over here? You know, if I'm up 80, I don't want to take too much risk. Maybe just try to make $200-300. Hey, Dominic. How you doing this morning? Good morning, Butterstance. How you doing? How you doing? Markets are open. I'm thinking to take a long. I'm thinking to take a long. Woof, what a dead open. Wow, that's scary. Now I'm really nervous. Now I really want to see it trade lower. Push. Cool background today. Thank you. I'm fine. How are you? I'm good too. There was my long. There we go. Push. Push. No, not pull. Push. Come on. Do I have my speaker on? No. There we go. Ring the bell. That was only a one lot though. Anyways, it gets out the risk. I should be getting out at 72. Okay, that's about right. Oh my God, I lost money on that. Wow. That sucked. Okay, well, based on the new Butterstone's trend following system, there we get to the trend line. This will be going short. Bitcoin is short, so now that I see it, let me go short. Let's take a look on the 15th. Getting down to that trend line again. Just trading down into it. We are below it, eh? So we can technically say we're wicking it. Let's get back onto the 1 minute. And we watch. Not sure if I want to take this short, even though the it's pretty aggressive, the 13. Wow, why didn't it go short? That's weird. Let me try a small short. Push. Now it's push. Push is down for me, I think. There we go. Now we got the 2 minute open we got to watch for. You know what? When I take one profit, I'm moving this up. There we go. That's nice. Keep going lower. No, don't wick. Don't wick. Okay, it's short over there. Butterballs is short. That sucks. Let me try again. No. Close. Butterball got out. I have to get out. I can't tell if I have a long on Topstep. Nope, I have short. Short at 39.50. Oh, that's a bad price. This one could hurt me. No, you're going too fast, mister. Very hard to trade this. It's a good thing I practice at 100 speed. Oof, short again, eh? Okay, I'll short it if we get a down candle on, I know you guys can't follow the action. But on, it's fast and furious, but on the Renko, if I get a short bar before it stops out, I will add to my short. No, stops out, I'll get out of my short. Still not getting anything. There's no strong continuation from when I'm getting my entries. Oh, wonderful. Oh, now we get a long. I'll enter if it goes long on the Renko. It's stalled out there. I'll try it. No, it's out again. Oof. It's taking money from me. Topstep is short. Love the Topstep system. Topstep system always makes money for me. I should just follow Topstep. Yeah, wouldn't you know it that the counter trend system now is the one that's doing well, huh? Anyways, I can't have a counter trend system up on my charts. It just fucks me up too much. And Bitcoin, I'm not trading it properly because I'm not following it. Bitcoin should be long. That's weird. Thank God I'm taking it on Sim 102. Now we got what, a sell market if touched on the Butterball. push lower. I'll add if we get a short. There we did. Come on. No, 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 no. I got 6 lots. Wrong way. Short.
Short.
Short. Pull, push, whatever. Get under my entry. No, I gotta remove my stop. It's out. Ooh, that's a $141 loss. Ouch. How are you doing?
Doing good.
Wow. Okay. I'm trying my best here. Push it up. Let's go. A little more. One more spurt. Spurt. There we go. Well, with all those cash registers ringing, you'd think I'd be cleaning up, but I'm red. How can you ring a cash register and be red, huh? Maybe it's all a bunch of returns.
Buying all those yachts and Lamborghinis and stuff, huh?
Yeah. Oh, long. It's a bunch of returns.
Hey, listen, my Lamborghini's broken. Can I borrow yours?
No, mine's in the garage. No. Come on. Be nice. Go back up. If this one stops me out. Shit, damn. Ouch. No, I'm not happy. No, keep trying.
You know what happened to my Lamborghini, right?
You crashed it.
I forgot to buy it. I was going to go buy it, and
I forgot to buy it.
I had all that money, and everything was great, and I was going to go buy it, and then I woke up.
Okay. Keep trying.
Wait, what's the YouTube car everybody's got to get?
I don't know.
McLaren.
McLaren, Lamborghini, Ferrari, whatever.
No, you're not a famous YouTuber unless you have a McLaren.
Yeah, I like the McLarens. Of all those, do you want to call them supercars or whatever? I like the McLarens the most. Okay, get down to VWAP. And the previous day's close. Wow, I'm just getting hurt on the wrong side every time. I gotta close it. Tabernooch.
I like the McLarens, but I think for the price of a McLaren, I'd
You
much
get a
more
nice
like
house.
having the money.
I was gonna say you can get a nice house.
Yeah, I'd rather buy a house or something else. I don't know.
Okay, one of these gotta work. Butterball, let's go Butterball. I need this one to work. Go bullish. There we go, add. Let's go, get up there. Get up there. Wrong way. Up.
Let's go. We gotta take some money home to mama. Don't want to sleep in the doghouse tonight.
Okay, lowered my loss a bit. Take a break. Wow, I can't believe how much the counter trend system is actually working today. That's really surprising.
Does it mean we're in a ranging market?
I have no idea. I don't know. It means I changed my system to a trend system. That's all it needed.
Looking at NQs trying to push down. ES is still holding up.
Oops, I made a mistake. Let me get out. Push higher. Let's go. Buyers come back in. Buyers come back in. I'll keep my finger on the close button in case you stop me out. Let's go. Let's go. No.
They wouldn't do that, would they?
Oh, they would. They would. There we go. They stopped me out. Brought me back up to minus 424. Shit, damn. And now we're back to view up again.
We got VWAP. We got the Globex open.
Mm. Any news at 9:45 that you know of?
Haven't looked yet. I've been a bit of a delinquent.
That's funny. Mike Stunts really wants a McLaren.
Yeah, go buy one. It's cool.
Mm. And for that price, Butterstun says you can get a really nice Chevy.
Yeah, I'd rather get like a Silverado or a Tahoe or something like that. Got crude oil at 10.30. That's all I see. We did have core PPI this morning.
Yeah.
Yesterday we had the inflation, which was above expected. Means the price of groceries are going to go up again. Have to sell the McLaren.
Butterstunts wants to make a turbo Silverado. I don't know. They don't make turbo Silverados.
I don't know.
Or just wants to do a custom build.
Probably. A lot of people like doing custom build vehicles.
Yeah.
Maybe if I buy a Silverado, I'll have to send it to Butters to supercharge it for me. Order submitted. What are we, long, short?
Wow, I didn't even think of your come on, fill me on the 5 lot and go up. Let me hear the cash register ring. It's so close.
Short?
So
That's
close.
a terrible spot.
No, I'm long. There we go. There we go. Get out. Recovering. Oh, look where we are. That was a perfect exit, actually, for the 5 lot. Let's bring it down to a 3 lot. And buy. Remove the stop.
Still in?
Why am I removing the stop? Because I got to follow the bottom left corner there, the Butterstun system.
So I fucked up.
I need to go bullish. Oh, that's just a 9:45 alert. Come on, you can go up. You can go back up. Show me a bar. Show me a bar. You know what? I don't even like this trade I'm getting up. I'm getting
fuck
out.
my stuff up too. Okay. I canceled the strategy.
Oh, wow.
I was still in it. Then I didn't know how to get out of it.
1, 2, 1.
I think it was that one. All right. On the agenda, find out how to exit strategy.
No, I'm not taking big risk. If it didn't go on that bullish candle over here on the Renko, I'm getting out because it is long. Where's my forgot my filter. My filter is short, and the short momentum line is above the bullish momentum line, and it's short on Topstep. I really should just follow Topstep. Topstep's the money maker. I don't know why I'm trying new stuff here. All the Topstep trades are doing good. This was a poor entry. A poor entry that's going to hurt me.
Another one? How many trades you take today?
I don't know, more than 2. Let's go. Colin. I know this is the one that runs. This is the one that runs. I got to get out, and back down to 252. We're on VWAP. I don't want to take the chance. $23 minus 7 is 16. I'll try and get filled around 16 for a little bit of a pop higher. Come on, get over 20. 19, 17, 16, 18, 15. 15, 16, 14, 15's going the wrong way again on me. 16, 17, 18, 19, 17. Come on, you want to push higher. You know that you do. Oh, it looks like you do.
Oh, that's what I was looking for, is a closed button. I guess that's different than the other button. Guess I pressed the wrong one.
Okay, I'll take a break. That was fast and furious. Oh, now he wants a turbo suburban.
You still in the trade? What you in now?
No, I'm taking a break, letting my nerves calm down. I was trying to get into a long, but it took too long on VWAP.
Turbo Suburban?
Looks like it wants to break higher.
Why Suburban? Why wouldn't you go with a Tahoe?
Oh, I thought a Suburban was a van.
No, it's like a Tahoe, but a little bit longer.
Okay.
It's like a Tahoe for mothers.
This is the one. You gotta go. You gotta go. No. Fuck off. Well, that was bad. Okay, looks like I'm blowing my TPT account.
Was you long or short?
I was long. They're pretty much getting me on every move. I'm getting in late on everything.
I know the feeling.
And the ones I get in on aren't continuing. Come on, push lower. Push lower, go to the low there of the day. That's all I made.
Down 0.3% on the day. No, ES is about flat. NQ's down about 3.3%.
Well, I'm not really watching Bitcoin, so I'm going to close it. No point in watching it. I'm having some strugglage over here.
Yeah, I thought I might have seen you trading a large size over there.
Yep, that's what I'm doing now. Now I'm in masterful recovery. Okay, 950, the 10 o'clock reversal.
Damn, 950 already?
Mm-hmm.
Guess that's what happens when I show up 5 minutes late.
Hmm. Come on. Call this.
Still dumping, isn't it? Get it then.
That's it for me. This one goes down again. If it doesn't recover, I'm finished. Let's go. It's a blue. Let's go. Give me a bunch of blues. Why am I not in the green here on this trade yet? Okay, now I'm down only 1725. 725. I was down 1400, 1500. I need some of that red juice.
Yeah. I need some more.
Damn, Mike, you are trading minis. Yeah, pretty much. But I'm doing it with micros, but I'm trading minis. I'm trading mini size with micros.
Big baller.
Let's go. Let's go. Blue, 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 blue. Make some more blue bars.
Blue balls.
Blue bars. $5.41. Okay, you know what? Don't have to do it now. Let me take a break. Let the markets reset, right? Supply demand setup hit nicely. Bounced off the demand in London. Yeah, well, this could be the low over here, eh? Like I said, there's the I have to stop watching the butterball thing, or the butter band, or whatever it's called. Gotta go just back to my basics here. Look how beautiful all of them were.
Short entry?
Yeah, there was one.
Yeah, fuck
At
that up too.
74 for me. I missed it.
It was not too late. Take it.
Hey. Don't encourage bad habits. What, do you want to play the donkey? It's not too late. Take it.
I'm playing my strategy. Mine says take it. So it'll probably give a pullback like it's been doing every freaking day.
Not really, Butterstunts, no. If I have it up, I see it. Anyways, it's getting killed today again. Now the counter trend one would be doing well. The trend one is getting slaughtered. Nah, I don't think it's really viable. It loses too much, doesn't make enough, and that was another counter trend one.
Every freaking day now.
Mm.
That's all right. On to the next.
Well, if you remember, I was saying how strong the markets looked, eh? And I said, when I think it's strong and we're going to trade higher, I'm usually wrong. And I was wrong again. Look how it just, I was right that I was saying I was a bit wrong. So technically I was right. Still below that trend line. And we got short and short and short. So I'm not going to take this long on the butter stunts. How's gold doing? Can I pull a rabbit out of my ass with gold? Bitcoin showing strength. Gold almost ready to go long, in my opinion. Let me try a 5 lot here. No, come on. You can't be wrong on everything, Mike. Take my $42 loss.
Guess we are at a support zone on the gold, huh?
Mm.
Could see long on gold, especially if we print an inside bar right here. 2 more minutes. Shit, I might have to go to gold, much as the NQ keeps fucking me.
I want to see lower, but if I take anything, it'll be on paper. $10.20.
Bug it. Try it again. What could go wrong, right?
Try what again?
It's short on NQ.
Oh, yeah, I'm short.
Is this the same time past couple of days been fucking me over?
I don't know.
Let's see. Yesterday. Around 10:10 to 10:40.
I'll let 10 o'clock pass before I take another trade.
Day before we had a little bit around 9:50 to 10:10, then 11 to 12.
9:59.29. In the meantime, I'll play the competition results have changed. As I said before, I wanted to trade the open, but the positions have moved, have switched up a little bit.
Yeah, you know.
Day 7. Skelly's moved into second place with $1,011. Magic Mike, of course, the winner for the individual, but now we're all racing to be for the team competition. So there you have it. 10 o'clock. My cat's going nuts.
Butter saying he done for the day?
No, I think he just said it's something that he'll take on paper if he sees something. I don't know if he's done for the day.
All right, time to refill my drink.
Hmm. Mm. Okay, still trying, still trying. Are we going to trade up into the previous day's low, which we are under now? And look, amazing. You know what? We came from above aggressively, and it didn't even act as support. Is that insane or what? That's like almost guaranteed support, especially when you come from far, from like 23,090 and 22,996. You're talking about 100 points, and yet it didn't act as support. I don't know. I'm going to take a long here and see what happens. Hopefully I'm right. Let's go up to 88. I'm long at 75. Come on, 88. You know you want to. Push. Where's the push?
Come on,
Push.
now. Do nice push for us. Yes. Come on, push. Yeah, that was nice.
Were you long? NQ or gold?
That was long, a quick scalp and long NQ for a 10 lot.
Gold looks ready to push, doesn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Broke out the trend line, came back, tested the trend line.
I only have a 1 minute. Oh, we're also bouncing off the previous day's close, eh? Yeah, I see what you mean.
Like NQ and gold are ready for a breakout.
Definitely see what you mean in gold. We're getting up to that trend line, eh? I think that I drew in. No. So what's this line? Oh, I know what that line is. That's so funny. I didn't even know what that Sienna line was. That's my other filter. Sorry, guys. I'm not making too many jokes today. I'm kind of focused on trying to get back my take profit account. I hope you forgive me. I'm down 362 now.
Oh, that's nothing.
I was down 1,500.
That's something.
Yep. Come on, push higher. Let's go. I'm watching. Go for 987. Come on, you can go for 987 in this run. 7 more points. Not too much to ask. Let's go. No, I'm on the close button. Fuck off. Okay. Let's try again. If it turns bullish before it gets stopped out. And it'll get stopped out in one candle. Up. Topstep is very close to taking a short.
On in queue.
Yeah. But I just went long. Come on, push. Give me more than 3 bars. Shit. Okay, Topstep is short. Let's go. Push lower. Push, 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 Topstep. Push it lower. Thank God for the Topstep system to fall back on, eh?
So what's the difference in the Topstep system?
It's a lot slower. The other one is a lot faster, which means I'm playing for smaller ticks, and I get whipped a lot more, chopped a lot more. Where the Topstep, still you can get chopped in the Topstep, but it takes a lot longer. Yeah, no, I have to get rid of this thing. Sometimes I know there's poison on my charts, and this is poison on my charts.
There's no follow through, man.
Huh? Yeah.
Like it sets up great, wants to go, everything looks great, get in, it just goes a couple points, then goes back the other way.
Mm-hmm. $10:05. We still got to make that 10:10 between the 10 o'clock reversal. We didn't do it yet.
Yeah, whatever. Take what I got. That's it.
Okay, 243 for those who are watching. There's another bullish bar. I'm going to try to get in it because the 10 o'clock reversal should be coming. Didn't happen yet. Bullish bar on the Renko charts. Actually, I might get in a little bit. How about a 3 lot down here? And add, come on. No, you didn't even fill me, man. Where am I at? 172, minus 172. Should I take that and go home and be happy? I think we're
172.
We're both concentrating today, eh?
Yeah, I'm trying to looking at my volume chart, and the signals seem a bit late. Then I got a 1000 chart. Those signals seem a bit early. So I'm trying to think what's in between 1000 and 2600. Try 16. I think that's the problem, is we just haven't had the volume that my chart needs.
Nice pop. Wow, nice run, nice run, nice run.
Yeah, maybe I'll try this one. 16.
I'm going to try this one for a 4 lot. Let's go. Minus 77. Is that a thumbs up? Oh.
What?
I thought you gave me a thumbs up.
I was waiting to listen. You never put me on your stream, so everybody thinks you're a weird guy talking to yourself.
Can you remind me?
Yeah, you look busy.
All my screen captures now are useless.
You was
there we go.
You was zoned in. I was like, well, he'll get to it when he gets to it.
No, I don't remember. You know, I don't remember nothing. I still haven't remembered to take the 2-minute opening range. It's been, what, 2 weeks now?
I don't want to distract you when you're focused. You're like, you distracted me. Now I'm down 2,600.
Okay, so here's the new process. You come in, and the first thing you say is, good morning, set your camera.
I said good morning.
But you didn't say set your camera.
No. That's your side of the world.
Oh, I'll forget, man. No, seriously. If you can remind me, that would be great. I don't know why nobody said it on...
They all just thought you were weird talking to yourself.
No, they hear you, right? I didn't even check that either. Let's see.
I don't know if they heard me or not.
Let's
they might have.
I can take a break. I'm pretty sure they're...
We're getting a nice push. Get back to the charts.
No, I can use... let my nerves calm down.
That was a good spot, too. Oh, well. How about Butter Stunts took that?
Your volume's coming through. Seems a bit equal with mine. Actually, you're a little bit louder even. Okay, so the volume's there. You're there. Everything is good.
You want to see a magic trick? Watch this.
It's got to come with ta-da!
Ta-da! Blade.
Or at least an abracadabra.
I was like, wait, if I can walk into the wall, can I hide behind the pillow?
Yeah, it looks like it, yeah.
This looks like a big dump, but it wasn't really that much. 141 points.
Yeah, not much. No, we're not getting much lately. I mean,
we're only down 0.3%.
These moves always look big on the 1 minute chart, because the 1 minute chart is so kind of compressed because of the lack of volatility.
Oh, that was the mother bitch. So that was just the ORB, the 15-minute retest. And it was perfect. Right to the 15-minute low. Then dropped 31 points. I need at least need a bot for that with an alarm.
Which
like
one?
Maybe don't take it, but the 15-minute retest. Like at least give me an alarm.
I never thought of that as a trade.
What?
The 15-minute retest.
Oh, you traded the 15-minute retest.
No, the IRB, the initial balance. Sorry.
No, you traded the initial balance retest?
Yeah, I didn't even know about the 15-minute retest. I never even thought about it.
Talk about it almost every day. I was looking at the push up and forgot all about that. Need to make my lines thicker or something.
Hmm.
Two?
Huh?
Changing my line width.
Okay, nice trade. Short again. Let me just take a 2-lot. Right. Yeah, Nicholas Cannibal. I'm busy now, Nicholas.
Joker, good morning.
Hey, good morning, Joker. Okay, now making it easy on me again. Always difficult. You know what? I gotta go away from this chart here. Gotta go away from this chart. Take a break. Take a break. Let it reset again. Come back. See what we're dealing with.
Trying to push up. Do have this
Taking a break.
inverse head and shoulders.
Da 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 da. Give myself something to do. Oh, you're still playing music on your stream?
I would always play music.
Yeah, no, I didn't really know. Okay, I see something. We have a problem.
Oh, what's the problem?
My writing in the back is inverted on your screen, and it's inverted on my screen too, so I have to reverse it, but you're not reversing, so it's...
Yeah, I was going to ask you about how do you
it's backwards.
How do you invert your picture?
I just load it on any graphic software and just type in mirror.
Well, I mean, for your stream.
Yeah, that's it. I reverse the picture in PaintShop Pro, save it, and then I use it.
You're going through Discord, right?
Yeah, and Discord twists everything around. I have no idea.
On Discord, it's backwards.
On Discord,
so then how do you go?
Yeah, on Discord.
How do you go from? Go ahead.
Oh, hold on. I'm getting two volumes here. It's confusing me. A normal picture on Discord will be backwards. You have to use it backwards so it shows properly on Discord. Go figure.
So then how are you flipping it from Discord to the stream?
Well, I actually flip it for Discord. On Discord, it's backwards. I import it backwards into Discord, and it shows proper because it flips it.
Yeah, but on your stream it's one way, but on Discord it's a different way. You know what I'm saying?
No, on Discord right now, if you look on Discord, it shows proper for you, no?
No.
No, it's inverted on yours?
Yeah.
That's weird. Here,
Do you see it the right way?
Yeah, in Discord. I'll take a screenshot. I'll show you.
No, man, it's backwards.
That's so weird. I'll send it
So
to you.
So everybody else sees it backwards too, then?
But not on my stream.
No, on your stream it's the right way. On Discord
Yeah.
it's backwards.
Yeah, if someone comes into Discord. That's funny because I'll send it to you on... I don't know why your Discord would be backwards. I figured your Discord also flips it. Where's the private message? It's so hard for me to open Discord. Yeah, excellent. Okay, I mean, you don't have to go now, but I sent you in the, you'll see what it looks like for me in Discord. That's what I'm seeing in my Discord. Okay, we're still heading higher, huh?
Now look at the one I sent you. Wait, just send?
Yeah, give me
Where
a
the
minute.
hell's send
Right.
button? There it is. That's weird.
Okay. Yeah, funny.
So you see it one way and everybody else sees it a different way.
That's a bit of a problem. Well, not really, actually. But we don't have to fix it now. Did you see the message I sent you and I deleted?
On Discord?
Yeah. No, I deleted it. That's what I'm saying. Did you see like a message between last night, like midnight, and this morning, 7 o'clock?
No.
No? Okay.
It's like, shoo, thank God.
No, I'll show it to you later. But you know what? When you write things in text, it's very easy to misinterpret the tone of what the person's saying.
You weren't texting drunk, were you?
No, and no matter what I was writing, I couldn't get it to sound, I don't know what word to use, but I couldn't get it to sound casual. It sounded aggressive. So I said, you know what? Fuck the message. If I say the sentence out loud, if I talk it, it doesn't sound anything, but written out, it just didn't read well. So I said, you know what? Forget it. It was one of those sentences that if you read it,
that means I'm in trouble for something.
No, not at all. If you read it in type, you you say, you know, like it's easy to misinterpret it. I don't know. I'm making a big deal out of nothing, but still.
This is the one I got here. Where to go? Okay, well, on that one then. Go back, go to this one. Maybe this one.
What are you looking at?
Looking for the message that you sent me somewhere. But then it disappeared, so I don't know where it's at.
Did Mike Stunts show you his strategy? Well, he talked about it quite a bit, Butters. I mean, he says basically it's...
Oh, it was on your stream. Whatever the hell this means. Crystal text me.
Don't read it. Don't read it.
Like, what? Okay, whatever. It's on your stream. I mean...
It's not on my stream. That's a reply to one of your messages.
On your stream?
No.
Yesterday, isn't it?
No. That it's a reply to one of your comments. Oh, that's what you mean. I thought you meant it's on the stream. Yeah, it's listed as one of the comments of my stream. Yeah. That's what you meant when you said it's on your stream. Okay, yeah. Yeah, it is. I'll remove it later. That was just for you to. That was to give you a WTF moment. What the fuck? What?
That's kind of what I figured.
My daughter was talking to me, and I had the text to speech open, and I was gonna, reply to your comment, but then she left all that in, and I said, okay, you know what? Let me just send that. But yeah, thanks for reminding me. I'll go remove it. Sell market if touched. Really? Are we down there?
I saw it. I was like, okay, somebody was texting drunk or having some fun or something.
Yeah. Oh, anyways, I'll show you what I sent you. Give me a second. I have no idea how you're going to see it now because you just... I don't know if you're going to see it backwards.
Yeah, are we trying to go back down, or this another faked out bullshit? I don't know. I just don't trust anything in the market right now.
Yep, I'm pretty nervous to do anything.
Did Mike Stunt show you guys his strategy? No, we need to have him come on once a week and do a 15-minute masterclass. That'd be cool, wouldn't it?
Yeah. I'd
get a couple of these guys, give them like 10, 15 minutes to come on, do a masterclass, talk about their strategy.
I would be in attendance.
I think it'd be cool.
I'll bring it up.
Call it the Mike Stunts 15-minute masterclass. Though we don't really know what to call the guy because every time I see him, he's got a different name.
Really?
Well, he's got Mike Stunts on YouTube, right?
Yeah.
And then he's got CK on Discord.
Yeah.
And then I'm pretty sure he's got a different name on YouTube, doesn't he? Or is that you? Who's the other guy?
I don't know.
Where is it at? I don't see it today. I don't see him either, so I'll tell you next time I see the name.
Booyah! Take Profit Trader is now green, plus 1150.
Sweet.
I did it. How come I can't give a masterclass? That was pretty good. That's a masterclass on scalping.
15-minute masterclass with Futures Floor Mike.
Schedule me in. How much does it pay? Does it pay?
It pays about -50.
Whoo! Go look at your pay varies. Yeah, depending on how bad or SS of it in the Discord. I have no idea what that means. SS of it. Sick of shit of it in the Discord. Basically an NQU mark out a 120 range zone and then mark a 60 range zone inside that and typically trade off the 60. You want to see untested breakaway gap. Basically you mark out a... But why 120 range zone? And when you mark a 60 range zone inside of that, is that like right in the middle or is that at the bottom? In the challenge, I was up 350 and said I'll go for 150 more and then reach 500, and now I'm down 500. Yep. It's just unbelievable how that happens. You know how many times I've been up 200 already and ended up down, or no, I was break even on the day, actually. I gave it back. You know what I've learned so many times? Playing the money, playing the dollars doesn't make sense. Just trade the setups. If you have a setup, take it.
We're pushing, ain't we?
Yeah, we are.
Do it. Pushing up, breaking a gap. Hourly's got a inverse head and shoulders. Give me a retest. I'm in. You know what sucks is trading's easy. It really is.
It's supposed to be.
The hard part's trying to get an entry within your stop loss.
Ah, yeah. Okay, take profit is down again. Took another trade off the butters, and it didn't go with the trend. Motherfucker out. Now what am I down? Now I'm down 300. I should have taken my gift.
Need to get everybody talking about what's the best like entry signals. Need more entry signals. That's the hard part of trading.
I'm really starting to understand it a little more lately. I'm trying to learn it for a while now. Mike told me particularly way to mark it, so it looks a little weird, but you'll get the gist. Look at Discord, you'll be able to see what I mean. Sure, I'll go take a look. Click here. Go to general. Zone to zone. Make it big. Yeah, the only thing is, it's like, where do you draw them? Like, I can take those green bands, Butters, and, you know, make them, let's say if I raise them by... Oh, okay. Yeah, I get it. I was going to say, let's say I raise them by 50 points. They're kind of in the middle nowhere. But no, then the bottom band will be up and will be support. So that's kind of like maybe when he enters once and then enters a second time. Yeah, I could see that working, especially if using ATR. Cool. I'm going to print out this picture. Copy image. I'll take a look at this kind of idea. Well, we got above previous day's close, and we're back inside the 15-minute opening range. And you're gone.
Who's gone? Where'd they go?
Close. I took off the chart with the butters. With the butter system, screwing me up too much. I know it's not that even that it's a poor system, really, but it's on a chart that's the equivalent of, let's say, a 15-second chart.
Yeah,
it's too fast.
Yeah, I got a 15-second. Yeah, but I don't get much use out of it.
There's too much slippage. It's too hard to get the entries. Like, there's so many problems with it.
Is that Ayanda? Ayanda, yes, it's NQ. So is that Amanda and you just spelled it different, or is that really your name, Ayanda?
If you look at the upper zone, it came down off.
I'm not pronouncing it wrong.
If you can see the breakaway gap on the 120, and you basically mark where it goes away from. So does he base it on breakaway gaps? Like, is that where the where they'll get painted in from?
Yana, good morning. Yeah,
Like that-
trading the NQ. Sometimes look at the ES and gold.
Nasdaq E-mini one. Oh, it's a 120 range chart. Okay, I get you.
Is that what Mike trades, a 120 range chart?
Well, that's no, I don't know. That's what Butter showed me, sent me, or posted. Sorry, posted in Discord. I was trying to figure out what time frame this is. 120 range. That's a 30-point range chart. Yeah, I remember he told me. I think he told me the 60 range, and I lowered it to the 30 range. Yeah, okay, I'll keep it up there. Yeah. Did you go see the? Did you go see the images I sent you in Discord?
Not yet. Whenever I switch off of the other thing, it takes your video away. Try not to switch off of it too much.
Let's
see. I'll click over. Yeah, I see those the right way. So you flip them before you put them on there, right?
So that's what I said, and I wrote, like, if you like it, use it. If you don't like it, don't use it. But it sounded so, I don't know, it sounded rough in text, so.
Oh, shit, I didn't even pay attention to what it said. Oh, yeah, I like it. Oh, that's sweet.
Okay, I got a long. I'm going to try it again if I can get a better price. I'm getting a better price. Fill me.
Hey, Yonder, you in any trades right now? What are you looking at? Long, short? I like the idea of this long. I don't like that it's at VWAP and it's at the open.
Well, I'm stopping to trade my take profit account. It's up 73.50. And I'm going to take that as a miracle. And I'm leaving it. I'll come back tomorrow.
Isn't it great when you're up a few dollars? You're like, it's so great.
Yeah.
Well, why is that great? Well, I was down almost 2,000. It's funny because if you were up $73 on the day, you'd be like, come on, I need some more money.
Yeah, exactly.
But then you're down almost 2,000. You come back to that, you're like, man, that's great. I'm just leaving it right.
73 is beautiful. It's the nicest number I've ever seen.
It's so beautiful. Look at that. Everybody else is like, what the hell is he talking about?
I'm framing it. I'm putting it on my wall. Hey, that was a comeback, man. That really was. That was being down 8-1 in a hockey game in the third period and winning the game. Anyways, that's the way I'm gonna see it.
Maybe a little on the risky side.
Well, yeah, we pulled the goalie with 15 minutes left in the period, but it worked out. Okay. Hey, what's going on? Do I have a browser open?
Yeah, I've been working on your happy birthday song. You gotta sing my daughter happy birthday. 2 more days.
Yeah, I gotta warm up my voice. La, 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 la. I'm ready.
Big old 6 years old.
6.
6-year-old with an attitude.
I was just gonna say it's 6, 7, 8 years old. They start to think they know everything already.
Everything.
I've been telling my kids since they're young, Your prefrontal cortex doesn't mature until you're in your mid-20s. So be quiet.
But Dad, if you just did it like this, it would work better. The heck do you know? Be quiet. Get out of here.
So what did I want to do? I wanted to go to
You should have seen my conversation with GPT yesterday.
Fuck.
GPT's like, you're either crazy or a genius. I'm like, yeah, GPT, but all geniuses are crazy. Just not all crazy people are geniuses.
Yeah, GPT is very, it's like an encouraging parent. Everything you say is the smartest, the greatest.
Talking about quantum physics.
Were you really?
Light. Yeah, and light.
That's amazing how you like that stuff also.
So I was talking to my son about it, and then I was like, I don't know, let me get with GPT. See what GPT says. He was talking about if the sun goes out, takes light, we wouldn't know for 8 minutes because it takes light 8 minutes to get to the earth.
Yeah.
I said, I don't know. I could argue against that.
No, you
I think
can't.
I could back it up with quantum physics. He's like,
explain.
Okay. Well, in quantum physics, so light's particles, and particles are in a superposition, so they're yes and no at the same time. So light doesn't really exist in the form that we see it until we observe it, and it breaks down into its structure.
But we are observing it. The only time you'll know that the sun is out is when you observe it, because you won't know it's out if you're not observing it.
Right. So it didn't take 8 minutes to get here. Got here when you observed it.
No.
Not only that,
because if you went out 15 minutes later, but your wife went out 8 minutes, like, okay, 12 o'clock, your wife goes out, the sun goes out at 12 p.m. Your wife goes out at 12:08 and it looks at the sun. It's out for her already. You go out at 12:15. It didn't go out at 12:15. The sun is always being observed, so it's always in the wave function. Always collapses. It's collapsed always because it's always being observed, just not by you. And wait a minute,
Maybe.
I'm going to make it worse.
Maybe not.
I'm going to make it worse for you, because what qualifies as being observed is also under debate. Does it have to be a human? Can it be a machine? Can it be just interference with particles, with other particles? Even that's open to debate.
Well, I think that goes back to the theory that it's everything at once. So it's in a superposition. Mm-hmm. It's every possibility at one time. So if you look at the double slit experiment, the particles actually go back in time to change. So that means time itself don't exist in the quantum world. So then you can't say it takes 8 minutes because the time itself don't exist. Because the particles go back in time to change position.
No, they don't go back. They just collapse.
No, they go back in time. Go watch it again. So they shoot the particles, they go through the double slit, then they're observed before they hit the backdrop. But when they're observed, they change position, but they had to have changed before the double slit. They had to go back in time to change.
Oh, you're talking a more complicated double slit experiment.
No, that's the double slit experiment.
Not just the simple one. You're talking the one that goes
that's
backwards.
The original experiment. Mm-hmm. In order to be one or the other, it had to be that before the double slit.
Well, this is the way I understand the double slit. They fire the light particle, right?
Yeah.
They don't measure, they don't check which slit it goes through. They just check the pattern. They'll have the interference pattern, the wave pattern. But if they check, if they have something that's monitoring which slit it goes through, it collapses and it's a single thing, and it forms just two lines.
So they don't monitor it to see what slit it goes through. They monitor it after the slit, which then changes it, but it changes it before the slit. Brought up a new concept of it, huh?
There's so
you have
many.
To go watch it. You'll have to go watch it again.
Yeah, but I had the conversation with GPT, and there's so many ways now that they do it. Like there's the double slit and the triple slit and the one with mirrors and lasers, and it is exactly what you said, though. I mean, when they get complicated, it's kind of as if the particle is going back in time, and the wave function is like recollapsing into a different position. It is weird.
Like, what the hell y'all talking about?
It's totally weird. But here's the thing I had with GPT. I said, if everything is in a superposition and it collapses only when we observe it, why, when I go into a furniture store, all the wave functions collapse in the exact same manner as they collapsed for my wife when she went in 20 minutes ago? How come nothing changed? How come the plant wasn't different? If the wave function is, because the superposition is just all the probabilities, all the possible probabilities. So I'm saying, well, okay, if there's so many, how is it possible that everything in the furniture store is in the exact same place for my wife and for me? How did everything collapse identically?
So another thing I was telling my son is they tell you that the speed of light is a certain speed, but do they really know that, or is that just like a hypothesis and they guess the speed? Because you can't really test the speed of light, because the act of testing it would interrupt the test. So is there really a speed of light? And when they came up with the speed of light, did they really say, like, this is really fucking fast, let's just pick a really fast number? Fastest thing we can think of. Like I said, you can't really test it because the act of testing it would alter the test. There's
so many conversations like this I've had with GPT. It's crazy. I even say, you know how they say time moves slower? They have the atomic clock up in orbit, and they have to adjust the satellites because time is moving slower up there. So I said, well, okay, well, why, just because you're using an atomic clock with atoms going up and down, why do you say time is moving slower? Maybe it's just a problem with the clock.
Could be a magnetic field messing with it.
Doesn't imply that time's moving slower, in my opinion. I mean,
funny thing is they tell you time don't exist, but then they tell you if you go somewhere else, it moves slower.
Anyways,
which is it?
It's a crazy, crazy, crazy world. The more you look into this stuff, it's mind-blowing. Really, it is.
Then this morning, was going for a walk, and my son was talking about the different dimensions.
That's
first,
another
second,
one.
Third, and how we're in the third dimension. I told him, I said, well, hold on a second, because yesterday we was talking about quantum physics, but wouldn't the quantum realm be the first dimension? Because before you can have a line, you got to have the quantum, right?
The line isn't the line the second dimension?
Line?
Isn't a dot the first dimension?
Line's the first.
Yeah. Oh, you're right.
Paper's the second.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Left and right is the first. Left, right, up and down is the second.
But I would argue that the quantum world would be the first.
I would argue that too. Definitely.
Quantum realm should be the first. That means we'd be the fourth dimension, not the third.
Yep. Let's bring that up to GPT. Why isn't a spec the first dimension?
Exactly.
I guess because you can cut that spec into left and right and up and down.
That's why it wouldn't be a spec. So a spec's the best way we can explain it, but it's not really a spec. It wouldn't have a beginning and an end. It's quantum. It's a superposition. So it's not a wave or a structure. It's a superposition.
That's fascinating. All that stuff. It's really fascinating.
Years from now, some supercomputer is going to come up with that, and you're going to say, well, "Damn, this guy told me that 10 years ago."
While he was trading NQ.
While he's trading NQ. I was talking. So it's funny because GPT now kind of remembers you.
Okay. Yeah, a little bit.
I'm talking to GPT, and GPT's like, we really need to figure out how this quantum stuff can affect your trading. I'm like, okay, I do have a 15-second chart. That's about as close as I can get.
Skeletor is having a bad day. He's having pretty much what I was having a little while ago. Started with gains, aimed for glory. Now my account is vanishing.
Into the quantum realm.
Yep.
Like it never existed.
Unfortunately, I was even saying yesterday I'm going to stop trading like it's a competition, but I didn't even remember. Did that the other day, was trying to make 200 into 250. That is such
that's the worst, isn't it? You're like, shit, just give me a couple more dollars. I'll be done.
Yep. It is the worst. And I've really tried to teach myself not to do that, not to trade balances, not to look at numbers. Just gets you into trouble.
Yeah, I'll be back.
Just trade your setups. Accept what the market gives you. That's the advice. Like I said, doesn't mean I follow it. I'm a better coach than a player, but that is the advice a coach would give. Just look for setups. If you have a setup, take it. If you don't have a setup, don't take it. Where your balance stands is irrelevant. And take what the market gives you. So, wish I had taken this long. Numbers will always get you. Not always, but often enough. Besides, it's the wrong input variable to use for a decision when trading. That's what I mean. Whoa! 1054. Ouch. You want to take back that wish I had taken this long? I mean, maybe you would have gotten out, but... Whoa. Who just announced they're taking a crap without flushing the toilet? Actually, Omnius was saying that some people are speaking today. Maybe it's that. That's weird. I'm gonna go check my positions.
All right, how we looking?
I don't know, but BULENOX just froze on me.
Uh-oh, it's not good.
Yeah.
Hey, you didn't tell me I had my speaker on. Hopefully you weren't hearing like an echo.
No, didn't hear nothing. I didn't know.
Apparently one kid flipped the other kid upside down and onto her head.
Ouch.
That's what she said. So my head hurts. I'm like, well, why are we flipping kids on their head?
Task manager. Ninja trader. And task. Okay, now let's get it open in.
Does anybody know what this market's doing? Like, is this even tradable?
Okay, got out of my positions in BULENOX.
Oh, you didn't say you were locked in a position.
I was, yeah. Okay, not so bad. I don't know what went on there with BULENOX, but
What'd you have to do? Reset the chart?
no, I closed it on my on one of my computers, and I connected on my main computer. I just hit connect. Now I'll go and reopen it on my other computer. See what happened. That was really weird. I don't know. Maybe it was a fast market, and BULENOX didn't want you trading it, so they froze. Or BULENOX is with Rhythmic, eh? Yeah, it's not Tradeovate. Oh well, there you go. No wonder.
I haven't had an issue in a while with BULENOX.
Mm.
You could do it. Let's go. Let's go. Don't do that bullshit again. You can do it. Come on. Let's go.
Time is at 10:58. Paste. I got another half an hour, and then I gotta go. I gotta bring my daughter to the airport. I'm gonna take a quick break. I'd still be in it. I'll be back in a couple minutes.
Fuck it. I'm gonna take it there. It's going against me too many times. Okay. Yep, we're going against me too. Fucking market. Guess you either gotta take really quick scalps or hold for the long run. Long entry at 22,950. Almost hit that. Just kind of chopping everybody out. Looks like it's going down, shoots up. Looks like it's going up, shoots down. Go back and look at all my entries. They all get chopped up. Zoom out to the hourly. What we got? We are at this support zone. Still right below the VWAP, below the open. Bearish case, I got to get below the support zone, hold that, push lower. Bullish case, I got to get above the open, hold that, and push higher. Yeah, Skeletor, I agree with you. Fucking market. You either got to hold for the long trades and just hold it, or take really quick scalps. Seems like all my trades get to about 10, between 10 and 12 points, and then they reverse. Yeah, but as we get above the VWAP, we do have the open right above the VWAP, so 23.17. Like to see it get above that. Hold structure. We got resistance at around 22.30. Also had the 5-minute 200 moving average, 23.23. We got a little bit of resistance right here. Ain't open at 80. I don't know. Might be. Depends on which chart I open. I think that's why a lot of people use the close. Seems to be more defined. I have the open at 23.16. Now we just need a nice pullback and then push up to get above this resistance. They're kind of chopping around the open range low. So it didn't push down further to get away from the open range. So that's another sign it could push back up. Might just do this chopping stuff going into lunch. Yeah, I can see on Mike's chart, he's got the close. So he's got the close at 23.18. Somebody poke it with a stick or something. Come on, do something, move.
I'm back. Have you been keeping the viewers entertained?
I was for a little bit, then I got distracted trying to play a video on my screen, but it keeps going to something else. One day I'm going to learn how to be a streamer.
I don't think I
there
ever
we
will.
go. It's Omnius dancing. Look at me, I'm dancing.
All right, let me see.
Oh, that went off of it now.
Above your head?
Yeah. Trying to set it up to where whenever you leave or something, I could play some videos.
Okay. Wow, that's cool. I like that. That's a cool concept, actually. Playing a little... That's almost like the billboard in New York there, in Manhattan, whatever. At Times Square, that big, tall building that has the screen. Yeah, I like that. That's a phenomenal idea. Okay.
Trying to give it my my shorts collection. Just let it play through. Oh, there's the blonde girl in the red dress.
The famous blonde girl.
Yeah, we can stay here and watch this all day.
The blonde girl? don't let your wife catch you saying that. I could stay and watch her all day.
Hey, if she wants to watch, she's got to watch herself.
There was a hold on, I'm in a trade in BULENOX.
Butterstones was like blonde girl in a red dress. Where's that at? Checking. I don't know how to go back.
Guys, don't you read my messages in chat? Where's my chat? Ducks. It's open. Where is it?
Discord and YouTube.
No, on YouTube. Traders, check out Omnius Trade's live stream every morning with the link. There is music and there are dancing girls. Not joking. I've told you, you just don't listen. Hey, did gold bounce off that thing? It looks like you did. It did, eh?
Oh, gold's looking nice, isn't it? Yeah, I'm gonna have to teach me how to be a gold trader. NQ sucks lately. I mean, don't suck. NQ's moving nice. Just sucks for my strategy.
Yeah, butter stunts. Have you seen Warrior Ross Cameron, Warrior Trading? He's got one. It's a round one in his office. It's pretty cool.
What is it?
Like a ticker, you know, an LED ticker type of thing. Well, I guess it's just an LED screen, and you play whatever you want, you know, so you're connected to somewhere that feeds a ticker. It's cool, but yeah, it's just it's a gizmo.
4-foot section of a ticker? The hell y'all talking about?
Like an LED sign, you know, that says we're open, but instead it's a ticker.
Yeah, I'm lost.
You know, when on
you mean like showing the stock numbers and stuff?
Yeah, you know, like when you go onto CNN or CNBC and on the bottom of the screen you have all the symbols and the prices going by.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they call that a ticker. So you know, you can put anything you want. Futures prices, stock prices.
Yeah. But you just put that at the bottom of your screen, wouldn't you?
Yeah, well, he wants it on his wall like a decoration, you know?
Oh, I got you. Okay. That makes more sense.
Something to look cool.
I thought you was talking about behind you for the stream.
Yeah. No, yeah, even just a screen. What is it? Yeah, no, I think he's no, his trading room is like the office, his trading office. He wants the ticker. Mm-hmm. And he wants it streaming all around the room. You know, like when people put the neon lights all around their room, he wants it going all the way around the room. But
I mean, that would be pretty cool.
Yeah, you did have to endure a little bit of chop action from 9:48 to 10:53, almost an hour. You'd have to have patience, but yeah, then it blasted off from 3:30 to 3:60 now.
Talking about gold?
Yeah. Would have been a beautiful trade if you were able to hold it. Oh, it only went down $4. Depends on what you see.
Jose didn't show up today. He could have told me about the gold trade.
Well, would you have gotten out if it went down $4? Like, where would you have put your stop? That's the thing, you know. Because it did fake people out. It broke the two swing lows before it, so it got people. It always does that. It gets people out, and then it makes the real move.
I'd be like, now? Do I get out now? No, hold. Okay, now.
Yeah,
that would get me in trouble trading the ES also, because you know the points are different. Like, wait a second, if I need a 20-point take profit for NQ, what's that relate to the ES? By the time I figure it out, I'm screwed the trade up. Damn it.
Yeah, better see holding that long would have paid off. I don't really know when. Let me see. When did all the helter-skelter action come in? Was it here? Yeah. That was crazy. Again, I don't understand how that happens. How you get a sell-off like that and a recovery like that. Who's selling? Obviously all the sellers were wrong. So who sold so aggressively like that? I'll never understand those moves.
They're just pushing the market down to get people to sell short, so they get all those orders.
Well, how much does it cost
them? Run it up.
How much does it cost them to push it lower? And what if they can't cover?
Well,
on the way back up.
I don't think they actually have to push. If you look at level 2 chart, there's always a bunch of orders right above and right below. about 5 points above and 5 points below the current price. So all they have to do is remove their orders from one direction,
and
then push slightly in the other, and then that creates that big move. So everybody's going back and forth, and they just remove all their orders.
Well,
makes it tank down real fast, and then they just push it right back up. Put those orders back in.
That should be illegal.
Technically, it is illegal, but they still do it. See, so like right there, what just happened?
Yeah, that little exactly.
They just pulled a bunch of orders.
Mm.
So I guarantee you there was a big order right there if you had level 2 data, and I guarantee it just disappeared. And now we're tanking.
Yeah. Wait, oh, you did say someone was speaking today, though. Also, eh? There was a buffet of speakers.
That was yesterday. I don't know what's today. I don't think there was anything today.
Yeah, I thought you said there was a buffet of people speaking.
That was yesterday.
It was yesterday? Seemed like it was today. So much from my memory.
I think it was yesterday. I don't know. They all blend together.
That's it.
Now it won't load. Everybody's running to the news website. What's happening? What's happening?
Economic calendar. What economic calendar?
Now it won't even load.
We don't need no stinking economic calendar. What the fuck? Yeah, I know.
Trump signing something, Trump meeting someone, Trump this. I guess there's a lot of Trump stuff today. I don't know who that is, so I can't pronounce it, and I don't know who it is.
Bitcoin's pretty volatile also. Moving a little bit helter-skelter.
So we drop 103 points.
Wow, what a crazy day. I'm glad my son missed it.
You might have made a bunch of money. There's money to be made.
I don't think so, not what I'm seeing. Well, my Bitcoin trading isn't really working out either.
I think we're going to start having the tariff fears again.
And Sim 102. What?
Supposed to be a bunch of
what
tariffs going
fears? You're not having any tariffs levied on you. You're the people taking the tariffs. We're paying the tariffs over here in Canada.
I don't get none of it.
I'm the one getting tariffed.
All it does is make all the prices go up.
You know what, though? No matter what... I forget, I won't say it.
Say it. Say it. Say it.
No.
Let's see. No, it's just... I don't know. It's just different for everybody. Supposedly, they say that the U.S. is putting the same tariffs on Canada that Canada put on the U.S.
I have no idea.
So I don't know how true that is. But I guess that would make sense. Yeah, I guarantee you somebody's talking about tariffs right now. Though I was surprised because I seen a thing the other day. I don't know how true it is, but apparently the tariffs on Canada is going to be higher than the tariffs on Mexico.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't follow Canadian politics, believe it or not. I'm only interested in American politics. It's
you know more about the American politics than I do.
It's like show business. It's so funny.
It is. I try to get that across to everybody. I'm like, y'all need to watch politics the same way you watch wrestling.
Mm.
You know, stop thinking all this stuff's real. It's more a game than it is real.
Yeah. Yeah. The concept of truth is finished. Just very hard now to know what's true and what's not true anymore. 39 minus 14, 25. That's where I'm going to short if 25 holds. Okay,
Where are you shorting?
I did short, but I'm covered already. I'm up 134 on my BULENOX master account. That's enough for me. I'm gonna take my paltry little gains and say thank you. I gotta quit soon, 9 minutes. Just be lucky. Tomorrow I get back to my Topstep system, which has always been good to me. The competition and trying out new systems has been squashing me, making my life difficult. Not that I've been
got a couple points there. Back up the break even on those accounts. So
cool.
Green on the other accounts for the bot trade. So
04. There's a short trade at 04. Don't want to take it on anything. How about on an Apex account if I can? Nope. Got stopped out. Don't go against. Try again. If it goes short again. That's one of my problems. I like to take the signals in the opposite direction, even though they're filtered out. Go long, go short, go long, go short, go long, go short. But the thing, theoretically, those don't have the same follow through as the trend trade does. Sometimes it does, but most of the times it doesn't. In this case, it's having nice follow through. There is the initial balance retest.
what was the butter said? Trump said he'll fire Powell soon.
Yeah, I read that
Trump
comment.
ain't firing Powell. Powell do whatever he wants.
Powell's firing Powell. Let's get down to 32.
They have the illusion that the president's in control of the Fed. If you believe that, you haven't been paying attention.
There we go. Now let's get down to 25. Come on, give me a 25. Just give me 25, 29, 28, 27, 26. I'll take that. No, 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 no. Let me just cover a piece. Okay, that was 143 trade. I don't think action has the power to. See how good it works when you trade the Topstep system? Bing, bang, boom, plus 150.
Butter stunts, I got some homework for you.
Ouch.
Go back and look at every president that went against the Federal Reserve.
Ooh, that's not
compare
good.
that with the list of dead presidents.
Yeah, I was going to say. Exactly.
And then come back and tell me which one of those guys is in charge. Trump goes against the Fed, you'll see him in the news.
Yeah.
He'll make an example out of him. And that don't just go for the U.S. either. That goes for every major country. You go against the central bank, not pretty. Yeah, we're not allowed to talk about that one, Butters. They'll be banning all our channels.
What? Can you write something on your thing?
No, on yours.
No, what do you write? The nation which shall not be named.
Well, don't go saying it out loud.
I don't know.
Good. Keep it that way.
I know certain topics pretty well, but I don't know central bank policy and conspiracy theories much. That you have to talk to James about. He knows a lot about that stuff.
There's certain places you're not allowed to criticize, talk about. But yeah, you could compare that list also.
Compare what list? I'm like missing a conversation here. I feel like I got dropped into a conversation. Where was there a list? What are we talking about? I'm so lost.
Didn't I say you're not allowed to talk about it?
No, you said compare the list. What list? Of countries you can't name?
Right.
Right. Shut up. Okay.
Come back tomorrow. You ain't gonna have a channel. All right. So what's the market doing?
Market is
Shit.
as they say, in a failed auction status. We've traded back into the initial balance.
Oh, that's right. You was talking about leaving in a few minutes. I think I'm gonna cut out when you do.
Okay. I think I know what you're talking about. The John F. Kennedy country. Why are you laughing? That's the only way I can think of it from what Butterstunts wrote. Gold missed my entry.
Thought gold was on fire. Oh, he's looking to short it?
Gold is on fire. I feel so much better now that I'm not trading. Wood chip, big move, 11:30. Be careful.
Well, I thought the big move was 10:30.
No, wood chip's big move is 11:30. Okay, 172. Where is this account anyways? 52,782. Not bad, getting there. Yeah, okay, guys. I'm going to go help out my daughter. We got to be in the car soon, so get her all ready, packed up, give her papers that she needs, passport. I will most likely be streaming again tonight. Oh shit, no, I got some work to do. Anyways, I'll try. Hopefully I'll be streaming again. If not, I'll be here tomorrow morning as soon as I can. And I'll be dropping a new video on Friday. No, Thursday. What's tomorrow? Thursday? Yeah. Thursday. Almost finished. I think you guys are going to like this one. I'm going to premiere it on my channel again when I have an audience. Better. I like it better that way. Force you guys to watch it.
Is that the part 2?
No, part 2 is coming out on Monday. The Butterstun saga. Oh, yeah, there's... Butterball now has the chocolate salty Skeletor's chocolate salty balls.
Butters took his balls?
Yeah, no. Butter. Well, in the video, Butter has Butter's in control of Skeletor's chocolate salty balls. But I gave a preview of what's in in the second video, and it's Nutty Bar's nuts. Okay, so I'm checking out, guys, and I'm
checking out also.
Yeah, I will see you guys tonight.
Appreciate everyone hanging out. See everybody.
Yeah.
Tonight or tomorrow.
Thanks,
Great
guys.
stream, guys.
Take care.
Not this again. Tried to size down Trump again. Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while, no anchor, bro. This gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise. But not in fake, house lurking. Price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like, come on, man, where's the edge? I knew. Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is back, no room for shame. Futures floor taking over the game. Was down bad last week, too much size, no plan, just vibes. Yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, free lot, clean as snow. Clicking that anchor, let that discipline flow. But now them dopamine traps got me chasing green with no recap. Like, chill, bro, let that setup bake. Waiting for the moment, let the market break. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Futures floor putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that lunar move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I rent. If I skip the plan, account gets bent. But nah, them weak trades wild. And no anchor, no click, just straight freestyling. Like, come on fam, that's not the vibe. Run the alive, click, stamp, click, click, watch me grow. Futures floor, got that inner flow. Daddy's home in full control. Let the rest FOMO, we on a roll. He in my OF like it's satisfact, and I'm missing the deep. Was lost last week, caught in the heat. Now I'm posted up, clean trade game elite. Tame the urge, let the setup speak. The boss is back, and I ain't missing a beat.